I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a great warm welcome will be waiting for me. The crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I will find my way, I can go the distance, I'll be there someday. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go most anywhere to feel like I belong.
I am a Viking!
Somehow I'll be strong. I know every mile will be worth my while. I would go